Mastering the Art of the Invisible. Understanding air guitar. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fun and interesting topic for you. The phrase, air guitar. If you're curious about what this phrase means, why it's used, and where it comes from, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know when and how to use air guitar like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and explore this unique expression together. Imagine someone standing with their eyes closed, their head nodding to music, and their hands moving as if they're strumming the strings of a guitar, but there's no guitar in sight. What they're doing is called playing an air guitar. It's a form of dance and movement where you pretend to play an electric or acoustic guitar. The air guitar captures the imagination of guitar heroes everywhere and has become a symbol of music lovers' passion. The concept of the air guitar doesn't have a single point of origin. It evolved over time, with fans of rock and roll emulating their favorite guitarists. It became more popular in the 1980s, when rock music videos and concerts were widely broadcasted on television. As viewers saw guitarists shredding solos, they couldn't help but mimic them, leading to the birth of the air guitar phenomenon. Air guitar isn't just a passing fad. It's a worldwide hobby that's taken quite seriously by some. There are even air guitar competitions where people perform their best air guitar routines on stage, judged by their stage presence, technical merit, and airness, which is the extent to which a performance is an expression of the music rather than a display of mimicry. You might use air guitar in everyday conversation when talking about a great song, describing someone's love for music, or simply having fun at a party. For example, you could say, "He was so into the concert. He started playing air guitar right there in the crowd." It's a playful way to discuss music and the joy it brings. That's all for our look at air guitar today. We hope you found this video enlightening and entertaining. Maybe you'll even try your hand at an air guitar solo next time your favorite tune comes on. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll tune in for more videos to help you learn English in fun and interesting ways. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to rock out with your invisible guitar.